Take number 3. We already started this fun pistol course here. We got a variety of targets, a variety of papers, distances, different little challenges. We got interrupted by some phone calls and then by running out of disk space on the old iPhone. Not ready?
Yep.
Go! Start off with a fairly easy one here. Center of mass. 3 shots. Good. Now we've got a little more of a challenge. We have a 20-yard shot onto a torso steel from Action Target. And Nut is shooting with the 8.5-inch barrel Ruger Mark III Hunter. Another shot there. All right, nice. Now we got a little bit of a long run. This is kind of an interesting diamond setup. We have 2 steel targets up there. Take 1 shot at each target, and then move to the next cone. Mag change. Very nice. 2 good hits. That was 15 yards. Now 10 yards. Now close range, 7 yards. Nice. We're going to finish it off on our last paper. Headshots. Nice job. Let's check it out. That's a nice group. Fast shots. Here, hold that gun up here so people can see it. That's a nice, accurate gun. Beautiful one too with that grip. I love it. Alrighty.
I want to see where I hit the steel.
How was that? Was that fun?
That's good.
It's kind of a good mix of stuff.
I think we should do more than 1 on each target though.
Yeah. It's just expensive. Probably worth it though. We could do double tap and then single. We could do 3 on each station. Yeah, good group. Right there. Spray paint those real quick so we get a fresh result. There we go. Love steel targets. Here I am running in my good thinking. I'm already breathing hard. It was a short course. It's not good. My socks are gonna be full of sand. Another good group for rapid fire.
I decided to do headshots on this one too.
Yeah, I think that's good. It's a good group. Hey. So I think this paint was too cold, having a hard time mixing. It made this weird, I painted that like 4 times.
Oh, I only hit it once on this one anyway.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah,
Probably warming up in the sun though, it might work better now. Can we carry that? Reset those targets. Maybe. I know that was weird. I think it's just the propellant mixed with a little bit of paint. I don't think it's mixed. I shook it a lot, upside down and everything.
That's good.
It's weird. Yeah, let's go check out the last paper here. Well, that running there was about 1/4 as long as our
that wasn't nearly
rifle course yesterday. That was long. This is more appropriate for my fitness level.
That should be 6 shots here. I don't remember which ones were from the
So probably 2 different groups there, and those are pretty good. Especially seeing as though we can't see these white markings when we're out there. And most of the targets wrapped up in the back, so we don't have a true proportion. We're just aiming to the center of the mass. Those are two good groups. That first one's super tight.
Yeah.
Nice.
That was actually the one from this run. This was the first one that we stopped.
All right.
Awesome.
Nice run.